Hi, I am Seijou. Welcome to Dangnal News Network. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have Ms. Muhjalee in our show. Thank you, madam, for joining us in our studio.
The pleasure is all mine, Mr. Seijou. It is always a pleasure to represent my people. On their behalf, I thank you for giving us such opportunity.
Muhjalee, what do you think is the most important thing for a cookie girl who study in cities like Delhi, Guwahati, Shillong, etc.?
You know, as a student who passed out from the cities you mention and as a mother who sent her daughter to those cities, the purpose of going to the cities are more than one. First, is to enjoy life before you are tied to the boring household. Choice second, is to catch a husband.
What do you meant by to enjoy life?
Or, Mr. Seijou, don't be so naive. Enjoyment means different things to different people. In our times, there was nothing much to enjoy except going to parties, hanging out with boys, living together, and anything that keeps us away from the boring books.
What, according to you, Ms. Muhjalee, is a good husband?
A good husband is someone who can provide you well.
Do you think boys from your own community makes a good husband?
Nah, they are too egoistic and possessive. They were my last option.
Well, Ms. Muhjalee, do you marry from your own community?
Yeah.
Why? If I may ask, they were your last option, weren't they?
Well, at the end of the day, it was the only option left.
Thank you, Ms. Muhjalee. I believe your inside knowledge will be an eye-opener for the young boys and girls out there.